Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Laser Entry Alarm. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect power to the positive of the LDR, then negative of the LDR to the ground, then output of this LDR to the positive of the buzzer or LED. I will be using the buzzer. Then negative of the buzzer to the ground. Right now it is beeping because it is detecting that there is no beep or there is no beam of light. Let's turn the laser on this LDR. Now let's make the connection. Now, as soon as the beam breaks, the buzzer is supposed to beep. Let's see. So, this is how this project works. When the beam is broken, the buzzer starts beeping. Let's check for the LED too. Now, if the beam breaks, the LED is supposed to glow. Let's see. And it's done.